Hello, this is Jen, and today I have a quick tutorial on how to make a foundation double crochet. Let's begin by joining our yarn to our hook with a slip knot. Next, I'm going to chain 3. Notice that I'm holding on to the working yarn as I chain 1, and then here's chain number 2 and chain number 3. Now we're going to yarn over and go into the back loop and under the back bump of that third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Hop up and hold on to that working yarn again, yarn over and pull through one loop. That is our chain stitch. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That is our double crochet that's sitting on top of that chain stitch. Let's make our next stitch together. Yarn over, we're going to go through the back loop and that back bump, that is the working yarn that you're holding on to of that base chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Hop up and hold on to your working yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm going to make 3 more stitches just so you can watch the process a few more times. While it's not absolutely necessary to hold on to that working yarn as you're working the base of your foundation double crochet, it is very helpful. It makes it very easy to find the back loop and the back bump of that base chain, and it also does a really great job of controlling your tension. The double crochets are nice and vertically aligned over their corresponding chains. This creates a wonderful start for your project. Remember that we started with a chain 3 to get to the height of a double crochet, so when counting your stitches of your foundation double crochet row, those 2 chains do not count as your first stitch. Your first stitch is right above that post. Remember, we made a total of 5 foundation double crochets. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.